Sundays are my favorite day of the week. It's the one day that I don't feel guilty about spending it all on myself. That I can dedicate my time to self-care without worrying about doing actual work because I specifically set aside time for this. This is my Sunday reset, Sunday beauty routine, high maintenance things I do to stay low maintenance, whatever you want to call it. I hope this video can inspire you to take at least one day in your very busy life to dedicate to making yourself feel good. Invest in yourself and make life easier for your future self. I'm basically going to start off with how I take care of my hair. To get soft, luscious, and long hair, I always make sure to incorporate hair oiling and masking on my Sunday reset days. I use the Miel rosemary oil because it's affordable and I really feel like I see a difference in my hair growth when I use it consistently. Take this time to give yourself a scalp massage too. Oh yeah. You can't tell me there's anything that feels better than a scalp massage. And now that we took care of the scalp, we're gonna go and take care of the lengths of our hair. I like to dampen my hair with water from the sink first and then seal it in with a hair mask. The one I'm using right now is this Pheno mask, which was viral for a reason. It makes my hair look so shiny and healthy. I usually leave this in for about an hour, so I'll just throw it in a bun and go about the rest of my routine. I like to sort of take care of my hair and face at the same time to maximize efficiency. So here I like to do things like pluck my eyebrows, put on some whitening strips. I don't do the whitening strips every week because that would make my teeth really sensitive because I do have pretty sensitive teeth, so I wouldn't recommend using this super often. I kind of just use it whenever I feel like my teeth need a little bit of a refresh, which usually ends up being about once a month. The mask I'm using right now is this one by Yepoda. It's the Yuzu C face mask, and keep this on for about 20 minutes before removing everything. Don't get me wrong, I truly believe that self-care is mostly a mental thing and none of this matters if you don't work on your inner demons, but trust me when I say that having a ritual like this just makes you feel so good and confident because you are taking the time to take care of yourself and treat yourself like royalty. It's honestly more about the act of taking care of yourself instead of, you know, the actual face mask itself or the actual beauty rituals, if you catch what I'm saying. It's just about you taking care of you and what that does for your mental health. To me, a hack that instantly makes you feel good and like you had an amazing day is moving your body even when you don't feel like it in the moment. I don't always feel like going out to get a workout in, especially on Sundays, so sometimes I'll just do a little at-home workout right in my living room. The workout I'm doing is a quick little core and leg workout that's easy to do at home with no equipment whatsoever. I'm putting the exercises right on the screen in case you're curious and wanted to try it out for yourself. After our workout, it's now time for our everything shower. Sometimes the everything shower is really like a second workout because that shit is tiring. First step is to wash out all of the product in our hair and taking advantage of this time to use a scalp massager on the hair, really getting every last bit of product out. Also, it just feels so nice. And of course, you need to be doing a double shampoo here. My favorite is this Dove Bond Repair Shampoo. I swear I'm not sponsored by Dove, I just happen to have a fully Dove shower routine, I guess, because I just really like their products and also they're affordable. Next, I'm going in with this matching conditioner and rinsing it out. Now I'm going to be exfoliating my whole body, so I'm using this Dove exfoliant, scrubbing my arms, legs, booty and tummy area, and now we shave. I love this razor that I'm using. It has replaceable heads, so I've had the actual razor for like 6 years now, and I literally got it from Costco, and it comes with a ton of razor heads that'll last you like 6 years in just the one pack. It gives you such a smooth shave without any bumps, cuts, or irritation. I literally shave my whole body on Sundays. It's just my personal preference to be totally hairless, and I feel smooth as a raw chicken. The body wash that I'm using is this Dove Peony and Rose Oil Body Wash. I freaking love the smell of this. I just love rose and fruity floral scents. They're my absolute fave. If you watched my Ultimate Hygiene Guide video, you'd know that I don't usually use loofahs, but I actually got one after I filmed that video. I still don't think it's necessary, and you're still clean without it, but I don't know, it's kind of fun to use. I'm gonna take a quick pause on today's reset to talk about Printify, which is the sponsor of today's video. Have you ever said to yourself, I would love to start my own business, but I just don't even know where to start, and I don't have the time? If that's you, then Printify might be the answer that you've been looking for. And no, it's not a course on how to start your own business. Printify makes it easier than ever to sell your own products and designs. They have an extensive catalog of so many different products, such as clothing, mugs, even beauty products that you can choose from. And they basically take care of all of the shipping and handling of inventory for you. All you would need to do is just upload your design, choose the products you want to sell, and Printify takes care of the rest. They print the product, ship it out to your customer, and handle the logistics so you don't have to. And you can create your store on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, and so many other platforms that integrate seamlessly with Printify. And the best part is it's totally free to get started. Even if you just want to dip your toes in the water and kind of see how it is to set up a store, you only have to pay for the shipping and production once someone actually places an order for you. So you're actually not losing any money or spending from your own pocket until someone even buys from you. And once your business grows bigger, you can then look into the premium options, which includes a discount on products and other benefits. It's perfect if you're someone who's always had the creative idea and the desire to start a little side hustle but just didn't know where to start. I love that it basically allows you to dream without the pressure, and you don't have to have it all figured out. You can just get started and learn along the way. So I'll leave a link to Printify down in the description box, and check it out if you want to. After my shower, I just like to blow dry my hair until it's almost dry but still a little damp. Oh, and I also have to light a candle. It just sets the vibe so perfectly, especially since I'm winding down for the night. This one is from Bath & Body Works. Then I go in with the hair cream. The one I'm using is this Viral K-Beauty Elizaveta brand, and it's essentially a leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair so soft and smooth and gives an extra layer of hydration. Then I'll seal in the moisture with a hair oil. I'm using the hair oil by Way. I love the smell of this one. It smells like a $300 perfume from Boutique or something. It's so yummy. Now I'm doing my bedtime skincare. I've been loving the 3-step line from Flaskin, which is just a toner, essence, and then a moisturizer. It makes my skin really glowy. The last thing I do before I call it a night and either read or watch TV or do whatever I want, I'm just doing my nighttime oral hygiene routine. You guys already know the drill if you've seen my hygiene guide video. I just start by flossing, and then I brush with my electric toothbrush. You guys really came for me in that video for brushing my teeth wrong, so I've been trying to take your advice and not manually move the toothbrush. Okay, damn, you got me. And then I use my metal tongue scraper and finish off with my favorite TheraBreath mouthwash, which is the green one, because this one is super light and gentle and doesn't burn my mouth at all. And there you have it, my complete Sunday reset routine. I hope this video helped and inspired you to make your Sundays a day of self-care and really prioritize it, because taking care of yourself is so important for your mental health and well-being. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!